How to use a built-in compress on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, open Control Center. So just swipe down. Now here, so you will see flashlight icon is here. So you will turn on or turn off flashlight for 1 to 10 times. So just click and hold on flashlight. You will see you will increase or decrease brightness from here. So you will see. So after the process, click on done. After the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can use a built-in compress on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.